How to scan my QR code in WeChat. So, WeChat is a popular messaging and social media platform widely used for communication, payments, and networking. Firstly, open App Store or Google Play Store on your device. Look for the WeChat application and look for any updates that may be available. After checking for updates, go back to your homepage. From your homepage, navigate to the WeChat app. Open the app on your device. Now you will land to an interface like this. At the bottom, you will see two options. One is for login and the another one is for sign up. If you are new to WeChat, then click on sign up to create your account. If you already have an account, then select login from the bottom. After you tap on login, this kind of interface will appear. Now you will need to log in using your phone number. Select your region, enter your phone number and click on accept and continue. If you want to select another method, then select change login method. Now let me go back and also show you the sign up option. In sign up, you can sign up using your mobile, Apple ID or Facebook ID. Once you log in, you will see a general interface like this. On this interface at the bottom panel, you should see chats, contacts, discover and me. Select the me option. At the top, there's your profile. On the right side of your profile, click on the QR icon. Now select the option my QR code. Now your QR code will be displayed. If you want to scan other QR codes, then at the bottom, select scan. That's all for today. Thank you.